So here's another little update. So I got like the throttle half-assed figured out, you know? I threaded the end of this rod and bent it up a little bit. And see, works. And then I got the brake on the other side. I'm not gonna push it because it's gonna leak hydraulic fluid everywhere. But yeah, I got that figured out. Gas tank's gonna sit where it originally was. I got the steering all fixed. I need to put this guy back in there. The chain is pretty fucking there's not much. It's pretty tight the way it is. So I'm gonna let it stretch and see if I need to add a tensioner. And then I just need to figure out the chain to the jack shaft from the engine. And then I need to wire it all up and then test it. Yeah.